For 50 years, the Civil Contractors Federation has been the peak member-based organisation representing civil construction in South Australia. Our mission is to help members and the industry to become stronger and sustainable. Following a $13 million investment, the CCF has established a best practice training and learning centre of excellence tailored to meet the needs of the civil, resources, mining and construction industries. Spanning over 4,000 square metres, the facility is located just 5 kilometres from the Adelaide CBD and 10 minutes from the airport. The centre includes 13 state-of-the-art training rooms, a world-first virtual construction site, the only hands-on work safely centre in South Australia, an outdoor training complex, live works site, and a fleet of mobile training units, all integrated within a purpose-built learning management system. At the pinnacle is a comprehensive assortment of heavy machine plant simulators, the largest of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere, that includes excavators, wheel loaders, dump trucks, backhoes, front-end loaders and graders. The facility is one of the best in the world in terms of its capacity to train plant operators. Students are immersed into a simulated training environment, which is a far more engaging, safer and effective way to learn.
So now you're back in position, can you build up your speed? So you can get your average speed up?
It's imperative for any heavy plant operator to be able to perform both mental and physical tasks. Simulated training provides many advantages for the trainer, student and the plant owner when compared with training on real machines alone. Instruction is more effective, train any time, any location and in any conditions. It leaves machines available for billable production, saves both fuel costs and engine wear, and is easy to track each operator's development with information generated by the simulator.
This tells me that out of 138 targets, you managed to hit 83 of them, so that's very good. It also tells me that it took you 7 minutes and 22 seconds.
By pre-training the necessary skills and procedures on a simulator, beginners are able to learn in a safer and stress-free environment, achieve greater confidence and higher productivity in less time. They become familiar with machine controls and learn proper operating and safety procedures before training begins on real machines. The flagship of plant simulation training is the 6 Degrees of Freedom simulators, the only 2 of their type in the world. Because they're scaled to the actual plant they represent and provide full motion and visual scenarios, they deliver a meaningful training. The simulated environment provides a safe place to learn and make mistakes without harm to the job site, machine or people. Simulators are also an ideal and cost-effective way to quickly and accurately verify an experienced operator's skills. They're also able to sharpen skills and further improve productivity. The benefits are evident when students with pre-learnt machine knowledge graduate to the CCF's live worksite. Located alongside the Centre of Excellence, it has designated training areas for load shifting training and bulk earthworks, and a multi-use area for technical training such as trenching and pipe laying. The CCF offers more than 20 short courses and nationally recognised traineeships delivered by qualified trainers that are experienced and passionate in their field of expertise. And when training is required away from the Centre of Excellence, mobile training units enable training to be delivered anytime and at any location. The MTUs allow students in regional and remote locations to access the same technology and learning experiences available in the city.
Well, what's the first thing you're going to do? Risk assessment. Okay? Must do a risk assessment.
When it comes to safety training, the CCF's industry-leading Work Safely Centre provides the necessary interactive training experiences aimed at keeping people free from injury. By moving away from the total reliance on the classroom, better outcomes result. The entire centre replicates components of an actual work site, and provides situations in which people need to behave in a particular safe way. The Work Safely Centre offers real-to-life work environments with hands-on instruction, small class sizes and state-of-the-art equipment. The centre is a collaboration with companies such as Santos, Worley Parsons and Transfield Services. It's because safety is so fundamental to these organisations that they partnered with the CCF.
All right, you're going to go in there and you're just going to progress through the pipe and make sure that my pipe's all good.
According to the American Psychological Association, which for over 40 years studied more than 24,000 organisations across 16 countries, hands-on and interactive training is the most effective at improving safe work behaviour for workers in highly hazardous jobs. The Work Safely Centre provides the necessary safety training experiences to ensure our people come home safely at the end of each day. An incorrect decision can be made and learnt from in a safe environment with no real-life consequences.
One of the things we know about safety training is that it needs to be relevant to the workplace, and it needs to invoke all the aspects of the differences between safe work practice versus unsafe, and being able to see, model and then reproduce safe working behaviours. Take for example the confined spaces station. It's real, it's dark. It is exactly a confined space. Sitting back watching a PowerPoint presentation about confined spaces and the protocols and procedures with managing confined space entry, that's all well and good. But until you're right in there, feeling it, being constricted by the space and understanding the real environment, then the learning just isn't the same.
The very latest technology has also been used to develop the virtual construction site, a learning environment that allows students to participate in construction site training in a virtual world. Students are surrounded by the sights and sounds of a real operating site and work through a wide variety of scenarios without being exposed to real risks and dangers. The Centre for Excellence also makes an ideal destination for meetings, networking and social functions, client forums and thank yous and staff development days. Larger events are ideally suited to the theatre, which seats up to 80 and is equipped with smart boards and wall-size projection facilities.
And in that standard it does say that the PPE must fit well.
Smaller groups are accommodated in the other meeting rooms, all fully equipped with the latest technology. A fully operational in-house kitchen managed by a professional chef, located alongside a large dedicated service area, means any type of event can be catered for. The CCF Centre of Excellence, the ultimate interactive learning environment. For more information, contact the Civil Contractors Federation, your partner for a career in civil.